enjoyable was it for you?
It's not easy at all, and you know that, Larry. We get ripped for what we wear and the way we look practically every second day of our lives. So, but yeah, I mean, we launched when in 2012. That's when the closet label, was online, and we've had our share of trial and error. We've had lots of goof ups where we felt that okay, over time we know now what we want, in what direction we want to go, the kind of women that we're catering to. Like, I mean, our thing is pretty simple. It's all about easy, simple, dressing. That's what it is. It's chic dressing. I mean, and we've kept it at that. But yes, we've learned from some of our mistakes, and now we can say that yes, whatever we put out there, we've put in a lot of thought because now we know what the women really want. Because, but yes, we can't be sitting back and saying, oh, now we know what they want, so we don't really have to worry about it, but because every day is a learning process. So whether it's prints, sorry.
No, no, go ahead.
So whether it's prints or whether it's colors, cuts, silhouettes, all of it, I think we really put in a lot of thought into it, and being the creative and style director, it kind of really gives me that platform where I can actually exercise my power. But I have to say that the girls are what actually inspire me. I mean, a lot of things inspire everybody in our day-to-day lives. But for me, I think the girls really, inspire me because they're such a motivated bunch. They're young, and we're an all women team. So that's amazing. It really is fantastic. We don't have cat fights. We don't scream, shout, but it's nice. It's a lot of fun because it's great energy. And for a change, we're not really missing the guys around over there. We like the women over there. So our girl power, you girls really do a great job. Yep.
Oh, great. No, okay, there's one thing that I want to take you up. You say you understand women, and you understand how women live.
Let me,
she's right.
I want to
understand women.
I want to add a rejoinder there. We understand their fashion sense. You'll never understand what goes on in a woman's head. So let's leave that out of this conversation.
So, Milakel, you said your involvement in the brand is in different ways. So how do you look at it? When you look at, I was told that you have an interesting swimwear line that is coming up. Tell us something about it.
Well, we've got various different lines on the closet label, but there are two lines that I really love. One is nightwear, and one is swimwear.
And what is more important is I want to know if you're going to model it.
Well, now you stop getting too many ideas every turn now. I want a lot of women to be in it and modeling in it. But as long as that translates into sales, if it does, then I'm all for the brand. I'm all for it.
I think it's called crashing the internet.
That's what we need. It should. That's what should happen.
Crash the internet.
Well, I think where swimwear is concerned, it is a completely neglected market in this country. We don't know swimwear. We don't understand swimwear. We want to wear swimwear, but we don't know how to go about it. We want to go to the pool. We want to go to the beach, but you'll end up wondering, what do I do? My body type, my this, I'm shy, fat, this, all of that. So I think we've really put in a lot of effort into our swimwear and our nightwear. I'm really proud of those two lines because we've really kept the Indian woman in mind, which means covering up a lot of love handles, covering up that excess around your thigh, all of that.
We love handles. Why would you remove them?
Okay, send me some. We're talking about covering them up. We're not talking about you hanging on to those love handles. So yes, we really put in a lot of thought. There's some really amazing cuts, and they totally and completely flatter the Indian woman body type. So I'm sure you won't be disappointed. And when it comes to our nightwear, again, that is something which we've really given a lot of thought. It's not just about that wedding night negligee type that we know in India.
Yeah. Is it good for gifting women?
It's fantastic for gifting. We have amazing stuff. Trust me, they are perfect gifts. Who are you gifting? So yeah.
What do you mean?
Please go and check it out, and gentlemen, check it out for your women as well. You won't regret it.
Yeah. If I may call you that.
You did.
I did.
Too late now. Too late.
I can't retract it. I love shoes. People love shoes. I mean, I love shoes, and I look for very many different things when I want to buy a pair of shoes. I mean, most of my shoes are very different, fun, very few formal kind of stuff. How do you go about looking at a shoe? What does shoe mean to you? How do you select if you color, style, what would be Bipasha Basu's style?
Well, like we all talked about, women are very difficult to read, and definitely like every other woman and girl, I'm moody, and I dress according to my moods. And so there is a big girl in me, like I'm girly sometimes, I'm womanly sometimes, and the shoe definitely has to complement your outfit. You know, it has to complete the outfit. But what's most important when we actually, on trunk level, we did realize that a lot of Indian women don't like to wear heels all the time.
Right.
You know, what we sell best are our flats.
Right.
You know, women love to wear flats, and all our flats are like fastest selling products. So we make all kinds of flats. We make it pretty. We also like open toe shoes
Right.
sell a lot.
Because
A lot more
weather,
than heels.
Because of weather.
Yeah, yeah. So what we focus on is style, and definitely, again and again, I'm talking about it. Comfort is key. You know, when you're wearing a shoe, it has to really be comfortable. That's why you would like it, and you would want to buy a pair again from the same place. So yes, it's stylish, and well, we focus on a lot of flats. We did a lot of heels, but we realized that, you know, we're going to try and push it again and see how it goes. But women, you know, that we are catering to love wearing flats.
I agree. Okay, so before I throw to questions, I have one question. I have one question for you people. You know me for a while. How long do you know me for a while? Let's not go.
15.
No,
You don't want to. You don't want. Let's give.
Sorry.
Let everybody guess.
I
first.
was 16.
For the time you're 16. Okay, good. You're what, 21 now?
25.
25, okay. So, for the time you know, if you know me, so if I was to go, what dress would you give me from your collection, and what accessory would you see me wearing?
Well, I would give you my favorite piece.
What?
Well, we have a very unique way on the
Did you
trunk
say a
table.
favorite kiss? What did you say?
Favorite piece.
Oh, sorry, okay.
Well, we have a very unique way of our accessories. We name them, and everything is named. So we have,
Oh, my bad.
you know, a necklace called the Bonnie necklace.
Bonnie.
Yes, and Bonnie is my pet name, so it's one of my favorites. So it's beautiful
I'm privileged.
clusters of pearl and gold. It's classic and it's pretty, and
You
yeah.
see me wearing pearls?
Yeah, but you're a woman. I'm
You're a
imagining you as a
woman,
woman.
You forgot your own question.
I'm not giving it to you. You as a woman. Yeah, I will give you the Bonnie necklace.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Just that. Like,
Since you're wearing the Bonnie necklace.
Well, I would love to see you in a swimsuit.
oh, wow.
Nice, it'll look nice. Yeah. I mean, come
Yeah.
on.